So I don't really know about the optics of this, but I sure did put more effort into the optics than on the last car. Well, you see what I mean. The basic idea was to take 4 e-bike motor kits with 1000 watt each, and yeah, just put them all together. Construct consists of those 2 rails, and those 2 rails go all the way to the back, and on those rails are holes. The steering is mounted there, and the seat is mounted on there, and there the holder for the battery is mounted on the rails. Yeah, and I also got quite nice parts for it. So for example, the steering wheel is like a really cool racing one. And then the seats are not road legal, but they are quite good and really comfortable. And I also have a really sturdy steering mechanism. So I have a tooth rod down there. And yeah, so it just steers. Here is where this is all connected, and yeah, let's not have a look on that. Because every motor has an individual feedback rate through the Hall sensors, because all of those are brushless motors. I also needed 4 controllers, because one controller can't regulate the exact turning position of each motor. So I just took 4 of them, and yeah, just put them in parallel. And then also just put the throttle input signal in parallel. And also don't take a too good look on the brakes, because yeah, basically it's just 4 bike brakes connected with this here, but it brakes, and like the front wheels come to a stop even when you're at full speed, so I think it suffices. I think that's about it, so let's slap a battery on it and take it for a drive. Alright, so let's properly secure it, and with properly I mean tow ratchets. Yeah, that looks good. You gotta subscribe if you wanna know more about this. All I can promise right now is that it has quite some power. Alright, let me give you a ride. Alright, this was about 53 kilometers per hour, which also is the top speed of the vehicle, and I think it's quite good. So, now let's go off-road. Alright, let's see what's next. Oh. So you can see this as like the first prototype, and what I'm building here currently will be the second prototype. And yeah, you can see right off the bat that it looks a bit more refurbished and better thought over. And the cat drawing also looks quite cool. So I will show you the cat drawing in the first video about this project. And if you're taking a look around here, we can agree on that it's a total mess. And what I'm planning to do right now is to extend my workshop. And this is where the new workshop is supposed to be. And that was it. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!